Bonfire Night, written by Teacher Brenda for ages 10 to 12. Once, long ago, in what we now call England, there lived a man named Guy Fawkes. Guy Fawkes didn't like the king. He didn't think that he was a fair king. Guy Fawkes and some other troublemakers decided to cause problems. Luckily, someone sent a letter and warned King James and his guards of the danger. Immediately after, the guards went to find them. King James's men stopped Guy Fawkes and his friends. They then began a celebration on November 5th to remember that day. It is called Bonfire Night. It is still celebrated today. Families from everywhere gather around a bonfire. Children collect firewood for the bonfire. The kids make a scarecrow to represent bad Guy Fawkes. This homemade scarecrow is thrown atop a crackling bonfire. The children eat sausages, hot jacket potatoes, and toast yummy marshmallows. The main event is when they eat yummy toffee-covered apples and watch fireworks explode in the sky. It is a celebration to remember how good triumphed over evil and many innocent people were saved.